Welcome to Outing Journal. So I came here to pick up my battery. I'm going to the Fujifilm headquarters in China to pick up my Fujifilm NP-W126S battery. I ordered it online from the Fujifilm store on a pre-order for around 2 months ago. So Rabia came from that side. So the battery was like out of stock from the shop. I have to order it from the online, and then they say okay, it's on pre-order, and I just got an email from Fujifilm, come to our headquarters and then pick up the battery. I pay around $65. Let's hope so. Today I'm going to pick up yeah, I'm shooting with Fujifilm X10 these days. I really like the video quality, is quite nice to be honest with you. So Ravi, we have to go get from the exit E. So I have to go to the Windsor house. Let me find the Windsor house. It's night time. So it's been ages I came to the Causeway area. So this is the Sogo. Let me find. So let me know in the comment section box below, do you use the third party battery? Personally, I love to use the official battery. Why? The reason is very simple. The battery capacity. Why we buy like a third party or a cheaper battery? The problem with that such as Wasabi battery, I'm going to get only half of the capacity. It's much better I spend more and I get a reliable battery. And over the months, the third party or the generic battery is going to degrade a lot. And one of the reasons, that's why I always stick with the third. I'm thinking I'm going the wrong way. I have to go this way. I went to the opposite way. I think I will go this way. Literally I was going the wrong way. I just have to go to the Windsor. How I have no idea where I can go. Okay, let me just go and find the Windsor house. So right now still trying to find the Windsor house. I have no luck, to be honest with you. Sometimes like in this area, especially on the Causeway side, finding something can be really hard. I found the Akia. Let me show you the Akia. Okay, there's the Akia which I found. But I have to go to the Windsor house. I think it will be somewhere. I think this is okay. Finally I found it. Let me show you. So how to get inside, let's see. I have to go to the 10th floor. I think I have to go somewhere here. Okay, there's Akia. Mark and Spencer out here. Let's see which way. Okay, I have to take the lift to the 10th floor. Okay, what's going on here? No idea. So here is the lift. They point the lift will be somewhere there, what I can see from the arrow. So finally I came to the first floor just to find the lift. Can I take the lift or not? I have no idea. Like, I mean, whenever they design a mall here, they design on a purpose to make people confused, so they get lost in shopping. Okay, I think I have to go here. Let me see. I think it will be here. Yeah, it will be somewhere here. Rabia, come fast. So I have to go to Fujifilm Studio. So finally I came to here. Let's see where's the Fujifilm Studio. Okay, where's Fujifilm Studio? They will make absolutely horrible again, so no one can recognize where it is. This is no Fujifilm Studio. This is DC fever. I think the Fujifilm Studio will be there. Oh, they're like, if you, no one can figure out there's like some camera shop here in the mall. Like if someone is going just from outside, no one can figure it out. Hello. So like this is the Fujifilm X4 assistant. Hello, come here to pick up the battery.
Battery?
Yes.
4976.
Let me show some of the camera like X-T4, X Pro. I'm gonna try one of this camera. I think I should get a second X4 also. Here you can see that the X Pro one, how it was designed.
Sir, please enter your eShop enter password.
eShop password. Okay, 1 minute.
Done. Thanks so
Okay,
much.
bye. So I already got a battery. I'm quite happy with it. Let me just show you around. So as you can see, so these are like, this is the media format camera. This I like personally. This one I wish it have IBIS and 4K. I like the rangefinder design. Rabia, where are you? As you already seen, I already got the battery, and I hope you like it. It was a quite small studio. One thing I was like funny, it was quite funny that the salesperson said be careful, like I was testing the X4 and then he said be careful, like I was going to drop the camera. So overall it was a quite good experience. Make sure to check out the channel and subscribe, and bye.